Welcome back to the channel where we continue to help you with your digital marketing framework and planning. Today we're going to talk about getting better landing pages and the steps to a high-performing landing page. When you have optimized your traffic, the best way to increase your revenue and leads is to get a stronger conversion rate. And you're going to do that with a more powerful landing page. So the first thing that is the most important on a high-performing landing page is the headline. And it's been said that people read the headlines 2 to 3 times as often as the body copy. And what you're looking for here is high-performing words, words that are triggers, like free, more information, things like that, a clear message in your headline, and then you want it to be creative. Now, on a creative scale, it kind of still wants to fit what your headline is about. So creative can mean a lot of different things. It can mean catchy, it can mean short, it can mean a different type of thing. So a headline, you want to make sure that it's got a clear message, creative, and high performing. Now again, on your landing page, you want to make sure that it prompts and gets your reader to the next step. So you want to consider your audience, you want to consider your ideal subscriber, your ideal purchaser, and you want to have a key resolution in that prompt for why they should continue to either read or engage with that landing page. So prompting, you want to continue that with the copy after you get them into the headline. Now the conversion driver, you want to have a strong headline, you want to have a hero shot. Photography is very important for your landing page. And you want to include a call to action. Now for the call to action, we're going to talk about how to have a strong call to action. But every landing page, and remember, we're talking about squeeze pages, funnel pages, thank you pages. You want to have that hero shot, a strong headline, and a call to action. Now with that call to action, you want to consider the design. And that includes the button shape, the button color, the words in the button. You want it to be first person with that call to action. The copy is very important on that call to action, the button size. All of these contribute to a higher conversion rate, which can make your landing page more powerful overall. So when you're trying to come up with your call to action, testing, A/B variables, first person writing, next steps, clear next steps, what they get, the benefit, are all part of a strong call to action. Now on that landing page or the squeeze page or the funnel page, you want to have a strong value proposition. Why click that CTA? What is the reader going to get out of that? What is valuable? What is the benefit to the reader? Think about benefits and not offers and things like that. What are the results are they going to get? What do they accomplish by clicking that call to action? And when you think about it from a reader or viewer or listener type of person, that is where you're going to get and match up to your audience. What do they want to accomplish? And if you can define this like in lose weight in 30 days, get your taxes done quicker, get your 1-hour workout into 30 minutes. That's the value, that's the accomplishment. Finish your CPA with 1 hour of studying a day. These are the things that trigger and can engage your reader and listener. So with your squeeze page, you want your follow-up funnels and your thank you pages to definitely match the creative on the original landing page. Same type of font, same type of design style. This will improve your landing pages. And remember, for the landing page test, is it something helpful? Is it something that you're going to be excited to create and do? And then how fast can you do the landing page? Because in order to get these landing pages out in seeing if they're working or not, you have to be able to produce them at a pretty high rate. So your landing pages are important, but you want to be able to get that structure and format so that way you can continue to do new and additional landing pages, substitute out the pages that aren't working, optimize the conversion rate, CRO, conversion rate optimization, for the pages that are working for the landing page test. So overall, when you're looking for your landing page, headline is important, your call to action, what's the value proposition, and make sure that they're fast enough to create, and then use those trigger words that provide value that your audience and your intended audience is going to trigger them to that next step. So as we continue to build your digital business, your landing page and your headline, your creative copy, those are important parts to optimize and charge up your overall performance of your better landing page.